Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy from 911 Studios, and today we are checking out our favorite outdoor furniture. And you guys, I love this one. This is going to make you feel like you are on vacation. It is from one of my favorite brands, Best Choice Products, and it is their Chaise Lounge recliner. You guys, this is gorgeous. It feels like just you're at a very modern, elegant spa or resort. It's gorgeous. It's made of gorgeous wood. It has a really nice foam padded cover that goes down the length of it. You can get this in a couple different colors. It's super, super pretty. It's also going to be weather resistant, so it's gonna last a long time. It has some really great features. You know, it's your Chaise Lounge that's reclining, so you have a lot of different angles that you can adjust your chair to, depending on whether you're lying down or you're reading or you're watching kids at the pool, whatever it may be. It's gonna have the perfect height for you. It also has this really nice added touch of a pull-out table on the side. So you're gonna be able to pull out and put your drinks or your snack or, just your phone and book and keys and not have to have that stuff on the ground, potentially getting wet, if you're at a pool or the lake. So you keep everything up off the ground, keep organized, and it's just a nice feature to have. Also, there's wheels on the back. So this is going to be really easy to move. If you need to move it in and out of the weather, put it underneath, your lanai, move it out into the sun. If you're trying to sunbathe, whatever it may be, this is going to be easy to move, look amazing in your backyard, be super comfortable, durable, last a long time, and have great convenient features like that slide out table. This is beautiful. You're going to feel like you are on vacation in your own backyard. So go ahead and put this in your cart. You're gonna be super happy that you did.